Keep it steady. Slow push. Hold steady, port side. All right, hold it, nice and slow. Almost there, maintain current speed.
Make sure the flange count matches the manifest.
Checking the corroded condition against the database.
Sections 12 through 15 verified.
With one side blasted to bare metal, the massive scaffolding is shifted. A delicate operation involving dozens of workers and the gantry crane.
Keep the pressure steady on that hose.
Up and over, secure that line.
Check the fitting on level 3.
All right, connection is secure and passed. You're good to go. Hold it there. Got it, press it down hard. Need more tape here. All right, watch your head on the flange. Got it. Looks pretty corroded in here. Yeah, beams everywhere. Focus on that main run. All right, hit it hard. We're almost through. Clear the area below. Crane, hook up, lift on my mark. Pull hard now. Got it. Watch the rust. Okay, I'm pulling.
The system integration test is complete.
Excellent, Captain. Navigation is green across the board.
Initiating main engine start sequence.
Engine start sequence active.
Confirmation countdown started.
Copy that.
Sequence complete.
Main engine confirmed.
Breaker 1 on, voltage and current stabilizing.
Breaker 2 engaged, load increasing.
Breaker 3 on, full power established, meters confirmed.
System status clear. Discharge successful. Confirmed. Pressure stabilizing. Received. Status green. Complete. Looks good. Tighten it down. All set. Check that level on the next one.
Main props engaged and holding steady. All green. Received. Main props engaged.
Godspeed, Symphony.
Set course for the open sea.